What's the meaning of contrast? Contrast. Contrast.
Contrast. Contrast. The term contrast refers to the degree of difference or distinction between two or more objects, concepts, or phenomena. It can be measured in various ways, including brightness, color, texture, size, and shape. High contrast indicates a large difference, while low contrast indicates a small difference. Contrast is commonly used in photography, graphic design, art, and scientific research to emphasize or highlight important elements and convey visual interest in depth. The effective use of contrast can create a powerful impact on the viewer and enhance the overall aesthetic quality of the work.